Hello, Namaste, welcome to my channel. Today I will explain you all the plans that is available in the Geo prepaid users and the updated work from home plans and what are the changes. First of all, I will point out few main that most of people will recharge from that according to me the 555 plan is the best bang for the buck. It will give you around 1.5 GB per day for 84 days and it has validity of 84 days. So your per day charge will be around 6.607. Another plan is Hidden Gem. You will not find in your regular recharge part. You have to go on the last section in others. Then you will find the 329 plan. I will explain you in details. This is for whom who use less data but needs calls. And this is one specific that you how to find best plan for you. So this is heavy iPhone user. I will explain it in later part of the video. So first of all, these are some of the regular plans, like that one for 1.5 GB per day and another one for 2.2 GB per day. So for one, as I said, for 555 plan you spend around 6 rupees and 6 paisa per day. This is one of the least in the package, and you can go for this, but it is for a year. So you may decide yourself that you want to commit for a year to Geo, or you may want to do a portability or anything something like that, or many other better plan may come in the future. So I will suggest 84 days for 85 if you are confused. If you get 2 GB 1.5 GB a little bit less, you can go for this 2 GB per day plan. In this 5999 is one of the best plan. There are other plans that Jio offer for per day internet basis. One of them is 149 rupees. It will give you 1 GB per day, but the problem is that you will get very less minutes, around 12 minutes, and that is the issue. Around 300 minutes for 24 days, and its per day is like 6.2. So you better off just getting this plan. Okay, and another plan is for, I don't personally recommend this, but it depends on you. 349 plan, you will get 3 GB per day, and the per day amount that you will spend is 12.46 rupees. Minutes we will get 8,000, around 35.7. For minutes, I have mentioned it here that there will be the like for 28 days 1000 minutes, so average you will be getting around 35 minutes, slightly less in this plan. But Jio currently there is a new update in Jio plans. Jio has another new plan that is just quite a few days ago, that is triple line plan. In this you will get 3 GB per day for 84 days, and you will get around 35.7 minutes per day to call, and per day expense will be 11.89. It is quite high. I will recommend some few, if you can accommodate that in your usage, I will recommend at the end. Another few plans that I recommend that who uses less data but needs call or spend little bit less, so they can look at these plans. Not specifically this for triple line plan. You can see it is per day is around like 13.88 rupees per day. It is quite expensive, but you will get 360 GB of data for a whole year. You can spend any day. You can decide when to spend the data. Another two plans that I recommend, it is 1299 and 329. According to me, 329 is the hidden gem of all of them. These three plans, like, you will not see in the regular recharge options. You have to go in the last other section, and then you will find these three plans. According to me, these two plans are good. If you can go with this or recharge for only 1 month, you can recharge this. There is only also another plan that is for 98 rupees. It will give validity of 28 days, and you get no minutes. You have to pay 6 paisa per minute charges, and you have to recharge it separately. So according to me, you can recharge this, and for minutes you get you will get average of 35.7 minutes per day. And these are the internet that might be less, so there is one option for that. Previously that was only option for these plans only. These are extension of your current plan. It will give you like for 11 rupees you will get 0.8 or your 800 MB of data and 75 minutes. This will be on your existing plan, that like if you get out of data in these plans also, and you can add data in these plans also. So if you think like 6 GB for 84 days is too less, so you can add this 101 plan, get 12 GB of data for your 84 days. You will get the data at once and you can use whenever you want. Previously there, yes, these three plans 251, 201 and 151 were introduced with extending your current data limits, but now it is changed a little bit. Previously it was given at your existing plan, but now this is addition only for the 30 days. Like suppose if you recharge for 251 and you will get 50 GBs, it will around 5 rupees per a gigabit. So that will be only for 30 days. Previously I recommended that you recharge 329 and recharge this data accordingly, like 151 and 30. So for that, like your if you recharge for 329 plus 151, you will be spending 48 rupees for 84 days, and you will get per day internet of around 400 MBs. But that is not limited to only one day. You will get 36 GB of data for 84 days of time. You will also add that 201 plan and other. As I was saying, like you can also make another combination. Like if you want thinking about like doing 349 plan for consecutive 3 months, it will cost you around 1047 rupees, and you will get 3 GB per day, and total you will get 252 GBs. In comparison, you can go for 329 plan and recharge it with 251 for 3 times. It will cost you around 1082 rupees. But the benefit is that you will get 50 GBs for that. Sorry, you will get 156 GB for in the slots of 350 GB slots. So that is one benefit. The data is less, but if you want to use data in bulk, so that might be helpful, and that is the one might reason that you are going for the 3 GB per day plan. The equation changes a little bit when this plan come into part, the 999 plan. So it will cost you around 11.89 rupees per day, but it will give you 84 days. So in combination it is little bit less compared to this 1082 plan. So it is, you will saving around 82 rupees. So you have to decide for yourself. If you need more than 2 GB per day, you can go for this plan. If your daily limit is less than 2 GB or 1 GB, you might think about getting this plan, 329 plan, and add every month 251 plans of data. So you can use that data anytime in 30 days you want. So this is how you can decide which plan is good for you. You can choose whichever plan. I will show some plans for few times, and you can decide for yourself. These are some majorly used plans. It is highlighted that like per day usage, per day it will cost you around 6.6 rupees, and similar for this. These are some other plans that you offer that might be useful for you, and these are then what you get for whole data, and for who can use less data and requires calls, or want to pay less per day. The least is 3.8 per day in this plan, but you have to pay it for a whole year. And if you need more data in these plans, you can add, and I have explained it in details. Thank you.